Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a banana chiffon cake, which is different from regular banana cake. Texture of cake is soft and fluffy by incorporating the meringue method. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for a recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Separate eggs first. Refrigerate egg whites and keep the egg yolks at room temperature. I'm using the 0-calorie monk fruit sweetener here, but you may substitute with white sugar. Mash banana meat using a blender or food processor until the banana turns into puree like this. Spray and brush oil into 2 6-inch baking pan, or you may choose to use 1 8-inch. Place parchment paper to the bottom of baking pans. Sift cake flour. Heat up oil on stove or in microwave to 60 degrees Celsius and pour into the flour. Whisk to mix well. Add milk, or you may choose to use almond milk or soy milk at your preference. Add egg yolks. Whisk to mix well. Add banana puree and whisk to mix well. Texture of batter should be like this. Beat egg whites in a clean bowl at high speed until foamy. Add cream of tartar and continue to beat at high speed. Add sugar from the side gradually. Turn to medium speed now and continue to beat until firm peaks. The egg whites form a soft hook when you lift the whisk. Beat for a few seconds at the lowest speed to eliminate air bubbles. Pour 1/3 of the egg whites into the batter. Gently fold from bottom to top while turning the bowl to incorporate. Pour the batter back into the egg whites. Using a spatula to fold from bottom, then cut in center gently while turning the bowl to incorporate. Pour the batter back into the first bowl. Repeat the same stroke to fold and cut in center while turning the bowl until the batter and meringue are fully incorporated. Tap the bowl on counter to remove air bubbles. Pour batter into the 2 baking pans evenly by using a scale. Smooth top of batter. Tap pan on counter to remove air bubbles. Sprinkle the toasted walnut pieces on. Place the 2 baking pans in a bigger pan. Pour about 1 inch of warm water into the baking pan. Bake in water bath at 285 Fahrenheit for 55 minutes. Then turn up oven to 325 Fahrenheit and bake for another 5 minutes. Remove cakes from oven. Place them on rack to cool down. Invert the cakes out. Let's cut up the cake now. Super soft and fluffy. And it's not overly sweetened as well, and with the right amount of natural banana flavor. The light and fluffy banana chiffon cake is now ready to serve. Enjoy!